Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove all Facebook friends in one click. So just tap your Facebook account to get started. Tap the three horizontal bars or the menu settings in the bottom right corner of your phone. Tap your profile, and then from here just scroll down a bit to see your friends. So tap see all friends, and then you'll be able to find here all and your recent friends. So all you have to do is to manage these. Tap manage found on the right corner of your phone. So let's tap manage. Next is you will be able to see three categories from here. So the one that you least interact with, your friends with no mutual friends, and your friends that you unfollowed. So you can just choose which category you wish to remove friends from. So for example, this one, the least interacted with. So in here you have the option to select multiple people here. So that box on the right side, you just tap them, and then once you're done, then you can just tap unfriend that you can see on the bottom part of your phone on the left. So there, just tap unfriend, and these people will be deleted or removed from your Facebook account. Just repeat the process if you want to delete more. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.